Ukubekela umntwana imali yokufunda kufuze kube yinto eyenziwa msinya umntwana asakhula. Kanti ukubekela umntwana imali nasanda ukubelethwa kungenza bona akhuphuka amathuba ukuthi imali leyo yande ngcono. Na ungahlomba ukwenza njalo nasele kufike isikhathi sokuthi umntwana aye esikolweni uzagcina sowuboleka ugcine ubhadela amagonyana phezulu. Abafundi abanengi baphuma phakathi bangakaqedi emazikweni wofunda aphakemeko ngonobangela womtlhago wababelethi wokubhalelwa kubhadela imfundo zabo.
You can start, for example, investing or saving when a child is born, and you invest for their tertiary education, let's say college or university. Put away that money every month. You only actually have to invest half of the money that you need to fund that tertiary education. Your investment returns will take care of the rest.
Ukufundisa umntwana ukusuka emazikeni aphasi ufika akaphakemeko kungabiza imali ebalwa ku1.5 million rands begodu nakafunda esikoleni sangekati khona imali leyo ingakhuphuka beyidlule ku3 million rands. Kanti kuhloke ukuthi imali uyibeke la izakuhluma khona njengomana nokubeka imali ngeaccountini nofana ukuthatha ipolicy yokufunda kunganikela inzuzo ehle nje.
Of education policies. Unfortunately, what often happens is the person selling those products, they usually take quite large upfront commissions or fees that is deducted from the investment. And sadly, a lot of those investments are not tracked over time. So they become irrelevant. And as you say, then you get to that time and it's not nearly what you expected.
Naye usebenzisa indlela ethileko ukuqala ukuthi umfundi ukulungela ukufumana iNSFAS na njengombana ingasiyo wonke umuntu oyifumanako nje. Lokho kusho ukuthi umbelethi nakangambekeli kumntwana wakhe imali yokufunda umntwana loyo usengozini yokuthi aqothe esikolweni. Inkolo ezinye zisabamba imiphumela yabafundi nayikhibe umbelethi akakabhadeli isikolo nanyana lokho kungasisemthethweni nje. Ifundo yamambala yomntwana ibiza kakhulu kanti kuqakathekile ukuthi ababelethi basisele abantwana imali basesebancane ukwenzela ukuthi nabakhulako babe nemali eyaneleko yokufunda. Begodu ayibuzwa yokuthi umntwana nakanofundo yamambala kubalula ukuthi afumane amakghonofundwa ayindlala nafunekako emnothweni wenarha le. Begodu lokho kuzomsiza nokuthi abe namathuba ngcono wokufumana umsebenzi norhola umrholo ngcono.